How's it going, YouTube? I don't know why I'm always pointing at you guys, but today you're outside. It's about 45 degrees. If you can see, the sun's like starting to go down back there. That's why it's kind of yellow. So you know it's getting chilly. And today we're going to shake this bottle up. I don't know. It's probably going to be really lame. Let's just see what it does and how it turns out. So yeah. Okay, so we only have one attempt because if not, it'll become flat. So I'm just gonna shake it up. I'm gonna lay it down like this. Okay, that failed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do this time. Yeah, that was epic fail. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was a fail. For attempt number 2, I'm going to shake it up really well, twist the cap off a little bit, and chuck it in the air and see what happens. Okay, before I do this, I'm actually going to put this up here so you can you see it's shaking up and it's starting to bubble. So shake it up until it starts bubbling really high. Twist the cap a little bit. Ooh, yeah. But it just exploded everywhere. And it turned out really well. Okay, for this second one, we're going to use the same bottle because the first one didn't really work out too well. So we're going to be using vinegar and baking soda, seeing if that reacts. And
it might not because I
we got him helping us just because he wants to, and there's the baking soda stuff. So yeah. Now you gotta put it in there,
shake it up.
and then shake it. Put the cap on really fast, and then shake it up. Go, 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 go. Shake it up, and then throw it in the air. No, not okay. Well, that I don't know if I got that, but that just like I'm zoomed in too much.
My hands are cold on your back.
It just like shot everywhere, but the bottle didn't. Oh, did it? Yeah, the bottle was cracked right there, and so yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be it for the video. Water bottle flip. Okay, so I'll get back to you once we figure out what we're doing next. Okay, so for attempt number 2, we put a little bit more baking soda in there, a lot more. We got a different bottle. The other one's over there because I capped it. I'm kidding. I just set it up. And then this one is like, we're about to use this one. This time, instead of slamming it on the ground, he's gonna chuck it way up in the sky and see where it goes.
Hold on.
Where's that do?
See if it reacts.
Nope.
No.
Okay, just pour it in there.
All right.
So guys, if you're gonna do this, be safe. Don't actually don't use matches or anything like that to explode it, even though that probably won't happen.
Cough, cough.
Ready, set, go. Pour a lot in there.
Shoot.
Go, 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 go. Pour the cap on.
Shoot. Oh!
Do it again. Shake it up this time. Ready?
I think there's only explode. Chuck it. Give me. Chuck it.
Oh, that's going in the grass. We need to put more vinegar in there. We didn't put enough. It's not, there's no chemical reaction anymore because it's just fizzing. Take 3.
No, 4.
Okay, take 4. Ready, set, go. You're gonna get it all over your sweatshirt.
I don't care. I'm so bad at this. Alright, guys. That was weird.
You see that like 2 feet in there. Ew, it's fizzing. Okay, so this is kind of just failing. So I'm gonna land it on top of there. Okay. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We did 4 takes. It was kind of failing, so we didn't have enough vinegar. Or baking soda. We ran out. So he's just pouring straight vinegar in there right now. Drop a like if you like this video. Comment if you want us to do any other like diesel thingies or what? Yeah, that sound is him slamming it down. So now we have to clean this up. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We had a lot of fun doing this video, and it only took us like 20 minutes. So yeah, if you guys want to do this at home, just be safe and do it. That's it for me today.